So I'm working on the new Hiccup armor for my 6-year-old that would like to be Hiccup for Halloween. And I started with wanting to really do a very minimal, cool looking peg leg. So I started with a shoe that I purchased, cheap slip-on shoe. And I'm going to mount that on this aluminum bar, which will give him some support and keep his leg fixed at this angle. Now, obviously, if one foot is up at this angle, he'll be completely off balance, taller on one side than the other. So I've taken the other shoe of this set and buried it at slightly less of an angle and up on a couple of the platforms inside this contraption here, which will eventually be modeled to look like the boot that you see there on Hiccup. So this kind of snow boot looking thing, 2 of these layers are solid layers, and then from there on up, the shoe is at an incline on the inside of this. I'll show you as we take these off. You'll start to see that there is the shoe on the inside. Each ring kind of revealing more and more of the shoe that is down inside the foam. So that is the plan for how we're going to address and get this look. Is one shoe up on an angle like this, and the other one buried inside what will eventually be his boot, which will come out to the same height.